question number 22. A right triangle has sides of length 2 square root 2, 6 square root 2 and square root of 80 units. What is the area of a triangle in square units? So roughly we can draw a right angled triangle, let's say. It has lengths 2 square root of 2, 6 square root of 2 and square root of 80. Square root of 80 if we simplify, because we need to know which are the legs. Area of a triangle is given by half base height. So we have to find out which is the hypotenuse among these three. In decimal form 2.828 it is. And again if you calculate square root of 2, multiply it by 6, you will have 8.48, the value of this one. Okay, so I am just trying to find the biggest length. And 80 if you take the square root, that is equal to 8.944. So the biggest length is square root of 80, which is equal to 8.944. That will be over here. And let's say this length is 2 root 2 and this length is 6 root 2. So half base height means 2 times base is 2 root 2 and height is 6 root 2. So simplify this, we will get the final answer, which is 6 times square root of 2 times. So that will be simplified to 6 times 2, which is 12. So the final answer will be B. So what we have done here, once more I will revise. The area A of a triangle can be found using the formula half base height, where B is the length of the base and base of the triangle and H is the height of the triangle. It is given that the triangle is a right triangle. Therefore, its base and height can be represented by the two legs. And it's also given that the triangle has side lengths of 2 root 2, 6 root 2 and square root of 80. Since square root of 80 units is the highest of these lengths, that is the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore, the two legs have the lengths 2 root 2 and 6 root 2. So, substituting those values for B and H, the formula of half base height gives half times 2 root 2 times 6 root 2, which is equivalent to 6 times square root of 4, that is simplified to 6 times 2, which is 12 square units. So, the answer choice B shows 12. So, that is the correct answer.